Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be part 2 of being a tourist in my own city, and today we are doing Fort or South Bombay, whatever comes in that area, Kolaba, maybe Kalagoda, whatever we can cover today. And I have my childhood friend joining me, Trisha, who can't see the camera right now because she's driving.
So the plan was to cover all the iconic spots of South Bombay, but with both of us being sick, we ended up covering just 3 spots that day. But few weeks later, we set out to be tourists for another day and shot the rest of it. So this video is for you if you are a tourist from another city or country, and even if you are from Mumbai, I'm sure there'll be at least one spot in this video which you would have not visited.
Okay, we are now walking up to spot number 1, which is Cafe Noor in Horniman Circle.
Cafe Noor felt like one of those places where you drive down to at night for some good Mughlai food, especially their kebabs. Their chicken badami tikka was fabulous, and I definitely see myself coming back for these.
Okay, on to the next step. There's this place called Odo where they have like a cult following almost. People literally line up till late at night just to have gelato and cookie. So that well they have, created the USP.
Personally, I would suggest to have the cookie with the gelato because the creamy gelato complements the gooey and crisp cookies really well, so it's better that way. On the first day, we got quite tired walking around Kala Ghoda and we stumbled upon this cafe called Marido. It's a modern, nice and cozy Parsi cafe where we ordered some coolers, and that's just what the doctor ordered.
Many months later.
This video is literally being shot after 2 months or 2.5 months because we covered barely 3 places last time. Even though the weather was much better last time. Yeah.
The second touristy day in Mumbai was quite eventful for us since we started early around 10, so the crowds and weather was quite decent. Although Crawford Market was not fully operational then and they were just setting up, so we carried on with the remaining spots.
We took the bus from CSK,
VT, yeah.
We took a bus from VT.
CST VT is the same.
I think so.
Good question.
It was called Victoria earlier, and then I think it was changed to CSK.
Oh yeah.
Probably. Even I am not.
Yeah,
sure. We have
this just proves, this just shows that we are proper tourists now at this point and locals. But okay.
It's also nice, very affordable. 24 bucks.
AC bus, most importantly.
What kind of tourists would we be if we didn't cover Gateway of India, and that has become one of our core memories. They had these photographers present at every 100 meters offering to take your pictures for just 50 rupees. Within a few seconds, he got such perfect shots against the Gateway and Taj Mahal Hotel, and it's definitely a must-do experience.
बाकी तो है ये अच्छा है.
फास्ट फूड ओके
हाँ.
ये चाहिए
ये नहीं.
ये नहीं चाहिए.
ये
नहीं.
अच्छी है ना?
ये एक रखिए, दूसरा वाला हाँ. ये अच्छा है.
3 फोटो है
It's really nice, yeah.
I like that the date is also there.
After all the walking around, it was time for a break, so we went to Araco, which serves some specialty coffee. The ambience is great, and even though I'm not a coffee person, I quite enjoyed my drink. To refuel further, we went to our favorite spot, Smokehouse Delhi, which according to us serves one of the best salads in Mumbai.
Now we just got out of Smokehouse and it was so hot, literally coming out from the AC to the heat, it felt like I'm defrosting.
Yeah.
So definitely not worth it. Tell us about our next spot now. Where are we going? Chor Bazaar.
Because of it being Eid, none of the stores were open at Chor Bazaar except for one. That one store made us realize the potential of the other stores. So if you're planning to visit Chor Bazaar, it's better to check their timings and head there to find some unique home decor and collectibles.
Then we went to Aram.
Aram was what I'm liking is that Aram and Panjam both had huge queues, but it was fast moving, and we had the presence of mind to take takeaways. So
I agree.
we're not wasting too much time. And I know what we do to sitting inside.
True. And Aram, the crowd was so disciplined. Like there was a lot of crowd, but it was like in proper line and nobody was
Yeah.
pushing.
Yeah.
Why can you mean?
Despite the heat.
Despite the heat. That's true.
Pancham Puriwala is quite the famous spot for Amras Puri, and the line clearly proves that. I personally feel that Amras by itself tastes way better, so we just took some Amras to go, and gulping cold Amras on a hot day is just what you need.
Best decision today was the metro.
I agree. At that and taking Amras as well to take away.
Now we are heading to where are we going?
Colaba Causeway.
Subco is another popular spot for great coffee, but this particular outlet is all about cacao, so you can see them making chocolates right in front of you. And you can even taste the unique flavors that they have to offer. When it came to the food though, I have not really tried much from here, but the cookie that we tried was quite rich for me. But the cascara drink that we ordered was pretty good.
Now for the final, most iconic, very local and touristy thing to do in Mumbai. Go to Marine Drive.
Clearly, going to Marine Drive on a Saturday evening may not be the best idea since you might find the whole of Mumbai there, but the views are definitely worth it. One thing I look forward to while going to South Bombay is driving on the coastal road. Ever since this has been constructed, driving here is a dream, and just when you think the daytime views are beautiful, the sunsets and the city lights just make you appreciate the city even more. I hope you like this video and take this as your sign to be a tourist in your own city. If not, come be a tourist in mine, and if you are from Bombay, tell me which area I should cover next. That's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
YouTube channel. I feel why are you laughing? But why are you laughing? I'm feeling awkward. Okay. Yeah. Chor Bazaar.
Right now.
You're right.
My God.
नहीं आ जाओ बीच में आ जाओ.
Although both of us have a cold, so no gelato for us. No need to prove it.
And also the views at like. Oh my God, I love this festival. Matlab, I haven't been. Let's go na later. Yeah.
Now we are in Kala Ghoda, walking the streets of Kala Ghoda. So now our last few stops for the day are, where are we going? Really bad. So now we're finally done with most of the places. Ideally we shouldn't be doing this. We had planned a whole day of eating out, but we're so sick that We are drinking
Feels so
hot toddy. One shot of drinking is enough. How's it?
love smokehouse jelly so much, but then this is like a local thing, I guess.